Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with American Express for card member offers step by step clearly. To register with American Express for card member offers, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the American Express website URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to access your account. Enter your user ID and password in the provided fields. If you don't have an account, select the Create an Account option and follow the prompts to register. After logging in, navigate to the Offers section on your account dashboard. Look for the Card Member Offers tab. Click on the tab to view the available offers tailored to your account. Review the offers and select the ones that appeal to you. To register for an offer, click on the Add to Cart button associated with the selected offer. A confirmation message will appear, verifying your registration for the offer. You may receive an email confirming your registration and detailing the offer specifics. Keep an eye on the expiration date of the offer to make sure you use it in time. Return to your account regularly to check for new offers that may become available. Ensure you read the terms and conditions associated with each offer to avoid any misunderstandings. When ready to use an offer, follow the instructions provided to redeem it during your purchase. Now you are all set to enjoy the benefits of your card member offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.